Wait until my followers on Twitter see this.
Huh?
Ow.
Storm chasing again?
Yes.
Let's get in the car.
Hey, wait for me.